Typhon Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Typhon Wallet app has become a favorite among Cardano enthusiasts, but is it really the best choice for managing ADA and other assets on the Cardano network? Let's uncover the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Typhon's biggest advantage is its deep Cardano integration. It's built specifically for the Cardano blockchain, offering full support for native tokens, NEFs, and staking all in one sleek interface. Unlike many multi-chain wallets, Typhon is laser-focused on doing one thing very well: managing ADA. Another major pro is security. Typhon is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you hold your own keys. It can also connect directly to hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor for extra protection. That combination makes it a strong option for long-term holders. Typhon also offers multiple account management, which is ideal for users who want to separate assets, for example, keeping staking rewards apart from trading funds. Thus, it supports dApp connections, allowing you to access decentralized exchanges and lift marketplaces directly through the wallet. Now, for the cons. The biggest drawback is limited chain support. Typhon works only with Cardano, so if you hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other tokens, you'll need separate wallets. Second, while the interface is clean, new users may find setup slightly technical, especially when connecting hardware devices or configuring dApp permissions. Lastly, mobile support is limited. Typhon currently functions best as a browser-based wallet, which may not suit users looking for a mobile-first experience. In conclusion, the Typhon Wallet app is a powerhouse for dedicated Cardano users who value control, security, and full network access. The surprising truth? It's not the most versatile wallet, but if Cardano is your home base, Typhon gives you everything you need and then some.